Many of us made a goal of losing weight. However, we just can't somehow keep up with the consistent exercise habit. You would go to the gym or go out for a 5K run for a week and then life got in the way and then you stopped. If that's you, don't worry, you are not alone. I have been there too. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I built a workout habit as a fitness beginner that is sustainable forever. Coming up. Hey, welcome back to Find Your Max channel. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Max. In this channel, I'm gonna help you to get started from 0 to 1 in physique transformation for daily working people who wants to feel and look good. I'll be putting out weekly content with my physique transformation experiences, workout videos that you can follow along, or tips and trick video just like this one. If this is something that you like, consider subscribing. So as we headed into the holiday season, one thing most people are planning is their New Year resolution. That's a very common thing to do, but I want to say 90% of the people will fail with their New Year resolution because they did not build out a proper habit that will lead them to their goal. I mean, if you're overweight all of your life, do you think with the New Year coming, you will magically have a six-pack? I mean, this is obviously not the case. People typically start their new year by going hardcore into exercise routine or into some sort of programmings. You might binge watch bodybuilder YouTube videos and mimic all their programs in the gym. Or you might just go out for a 5K run right off the bat. The result of this action leads to painful outcome. Because your body is not used to the intensity that you are giving from the exercise that you're mimicking, that your legs might be sore for a week after your 5K run, your pec will be sore for a week after you do a chest day, and before you know it, you just went back to your old self and say bye-bye to the gym because what you get from it, it's all pain. So for a habit to form, there are three factors: the cue, the routine, and the rewards. Example for the three factors. Most of us brush our teeth. I really hope you brush your teeth. And that's a very common habit for most of us. So I'm gonna use this as an example. The cue of this habit is that I woke up in the morning. The routine is that I go to the washroom and pee, and then I start brushing my teeth. And the reward is that I feel refreshed because my mouth is clean and minty. So in order to build a sustainable workout habit as a fitness beginner, one thing that we need to focus on is to manage the reward factor by adjusting the routine of the cue. I believe managing the reward factor is super important when it comes to building a sustainable workout habit. If we can get the reward right away, and eventually we will fall in love with the habit of working out by simply adjusting the routine, even if the reward is super small. Like I said before, most of us have a routine that is not suitable to our body, and then our pain outweighs the reward, which make us reluctant to keep going because unconsciously we know there is pain coming up. Simple solution to this problem is just to ease off with the routine first, then slowly add to it. Let's do a quick example for you on how you can establish your workout habit. So for our cue, we're gonna just go when I'm off work. So the routine is where we need adjusting. So rather than we just going for a 5K run right after work, or you go to the gym and just perform Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson workout routine, our new routine will be just gonna be going for a 15-minute walk, either on the treadmills or around the block. If you want to do resistance training, lighten up the load, lower the weight, and decrease the sets of the exercise. Or you can simply follow one of my Tabata workouts, which only take you 4 minutes. So by simply making the routine very easily achievable, you will get the reward instantly. By simply exercising slightly, you will feel refreshed and you will feel very accomplished because you actually follow through with your plan. The focus is to build the habit first and getting the reward instantly so you can fall in love with it. Once you build that habit up, then you slowly increase the intensity of the routine, and soon enough you will be addicted to the habit of working out, and your weight will decrease naturally. So for any habits to build, it will take at least 21 days. A bonus tip I want to throw in to how to build a workout habit is simply keeping some sort of workout journal. You keep track of your progress. This way you can always go back and just look how you are doing. You can just use any sort of notebook, but you might have hard time trying to go back, compare your past workout data. We have created a Find Your Max workout journal with table of contents systems that will help you compare prior workout data with ease. You can check out this workout journal links in the description down below. The key takeaway for today's video is just not to push your body to the point where you are feeling so much pain and you can't move for 2 weeks. That is actually the opposite of what you want to do. Start slow, keeping the momentum going, and the result will come. I have a whole playlist of home workout that is tailored for fitness beginner that you can work along with me. You can check them out and build your workout habit today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and that would be awesome. All right guys, thank you very much. Stay safe. Until next time, peace.